Welcome to No-Nonsense Airbnb. In this video, I will show you how you can update amenities on your Airbnb listing. The navigation is the same whether you do it from your computer or from a phone app. However, I find using a computer to update your listing is much easier than using the phone app. Once you're logged into Airbnb from your computer, go over to the top right section. You will see switch to hosting. That will take you to your hosting dashboard. And once there, click on listing in the top menu and then click on your listing. That will open up the listing editor and you don't need to click anywhere else. Just keep scrolling down on the left hand side until you see amenities section. Just click anywhere in this block and that will upload the amenities you have marked in your listing when you created it for the first time. Now, if you want to remove some of the amenities from here, you can just click on edit and you will see this negative icon. You can just click on this negative and it will remove that from your list. However, if you want to add something, you will need to click on plus sign here and that will load the amenities you can add on the right hand side. Now, by default, it chooses all amenities and you can just simply go through them one by one. However, if you want to do bit by bit in smaller chunks, it is much easier to go through each of these categories. You can just click on basic, and let's say if you have an air conditioning, you can just simply click on plus and that amenity will be added to your property. It may ask for some additional information, like in my case, when I chose air conditioning, it asked for central air conditioning, portable, blah, blah, blah. You can choose that. And then you can just keep going through all these categories and update your listing. Just keep on clicking plus. And if you want to uncheck something, you can just simply click on this tick icon and that will remove that amenity from your Airbnb listing straight away. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.